What if you don't need a high income, a perfect plan, or even strong discipline to become a millionaire? What if the real secret is making your money work automatically, even while you sleep? In this video, I'm breaking down powerful lessons and my personal insights from The Automatic Millionaire by David Bach. This isn't about getting rich quickly, it's about building wealth simply and consistently. The main message of this book is, you don't need to be rich to become wealthy. You just need a system that runs automatically. Because the truth is, most people don't fail because they don't know what to do. They fail because they don't do it consistently. Automation solves that problem. Before you pay bills, before you spend, pay yourself first. Saving is not what's left over, it's the priority. How to apply? Set aside a percentage of your income, even 5 to 10%. Treat it like a non-negotiable expense. Save before you spend anything else. This builds wealth over time. The most powerful idea in the book, automate everything. Set up automatic transfers to savings, just investments. Automate bill payments. Remove the need for daily decisions. When it's automatic, you stay consistent without effort. Small daily expenses can cost you more than you think. It's not about cutting everything. It's about being aware. Even small amounts, when invested, can grow into something big. How to apply? Track your small daily spending. Identify unnecessary expenses. Redirect that money into savings or investments. Small changes, big results over time. Wealth is built through consistency, not timing the market. Invest regularly. Focus on long-term growth. Avoid emotional decisions. Time in the market beats timing the market. The book highlights the power of owning property. Paying your own mortgage builds equity over time. Instead of paying rent forever, you can build long-term wealth through ownership. Most people rely on motivation, but motivation fades. Systems create success. How to apply? Automate savings. Set clear financial routines. Reduce decisions and temptations. When your system works, you don't need discipline every day. The Automatic Millionaire teaches us this. Wealth is not about how much you earn. It's about what you do consistently. When you automate good financial habits, your future becomes secure. If this helped you, comment "Automate" below as a reminder to start building your system today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who wants financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.